This is the car, Expedition, 150,000 miles. This is the transmission right here. It's the numbers. It's a 4-wheel drive. Okay, 2016 Ford Expedition. So to remove the transmission, it's R80. Swipe bar. You need to remove this. You have to remove this. It's like a frame. You remove the transfer case. I spray penetrating oil already. I remove the muffler. Make sure you disconnect the O2 sensors. It's right there. It's 4 of them. Make sure it's secure on the back. Disconnect the line, disconnect the shift. To be continued. Okay, so swipe bar is down, O2 sensor is off, alternator is off. You didn't have to pull them out, just put them aside because you know you're gonna remove this part. Don't forget, there's 2 bolts over here from inside. One is over here and one over there on the top. The most of them is right here, but 2 is from inside, so be careful. Then untie the mountain, then remove these bolts, but don't remove it yet. You need to put something here. I have this in my case right here, so I'm gonna put under. So yeah, to be continued. Okay, transfer case is off, muffler is off, oxygen sensor is disconnected, mountain, shields, drive shafts, everything off. They should look like this. Okay, turbo is right there. Okay, so now it's gonna be through this hole over there. Right, and we're done. Okay, the old transmission is there. The new transmission is there. All the lines is connected. Cooling system here and everything. Starter. Make sure you have 2 bolts from inside right there where you're gonna remove. Make sure you remove them and put them back. Okay, so time for the transfer case. Okay, driving good. Changing gears.